Hello, we are the Green Gold Miners. My name is Noah Blair, and I am an accounting major.
My name is Cassie. My major is finance.
My name is Tayrell, and my major is operations management.
My name is Braden. I'm also a finance major.
In order to solve Louis' problems, we conclude recommendations through two parts of data analysis and culture analysis. For data analysis, people really focus on quality, price, and import tax rate. For culture analysis, in Mexico, people really focus on a collective society and enjoy living in the moment. In America,
So the most important part of this presentation is you, Luis. Now, you have little to no business experience. And what this means for us is that we are business majors who intend to make this our way of living in the future. Now, that means that we are studying the things that you need to know, and we are trying to convey those things to you. Now, the purpose of this presentation is to show the marketing efficiency contrast between avocado sales in Mexico and the United States. The scope of this presentation is generally in depth. Now, our responsibilities, as dictated by you, are to analyze the data you provided us, as well as find outside data, make a list of recommendations that would fit the way you'd like to operate your business in both countries. We have to optimize it based on price, as you expressed that was a concern for you, implement our data to support our conclusions, and contrast between the two countries.
So one of the things we took into consideration was your desire to export your avocados to the U.S. market. While looking for locations where you could possibly export your avocados to, we looked for areas with large demand, and as well as proximity to the border to lower your transportation costs. And in addition, we looked for a high market price, so to optimize your profit margin, and we additionally looked for a large population.
Our first recommendation for you, Luis, is to sell independently. By selling independently, you will lower your costs manufacturing because you do not have to pay for grocery store fees. Our second recommendation would be to primarily sell in Mexico City. Mexico City has a population of 19 million citizens and would be a valuable target market to approach. And our last recommendation in Mexico would be to advertise in a way that focuses on enjoying the moment and indulgence. In America, our first recommendation is to figure out if you want to distribute your goods from Mexico to the U.S. or create a headquarters in the United States. Our second recommendation is to primarily sell in Los Angeles. Los Angeles has a population of 17 million citizens and already on a high demand for avocados. Our third recommendation would be to advertise in a way that displays the inexpensiveness of our avocados, because that seems to be a outlining value for U.S. customers. And our last recommendation for the U.S. would be to sell and promote strongly in the month of June, because avocado prices in June are extremely high, and by having a lower price will make our product desirable.
Leading up to our SWOT analysis. Our SWOT analysis is conformed by some different strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. This is our final SWOT analysis, the one that we made as a team, as a whole. We had some other ones that lead up to this one that really helped us improve our business and our business environment. Also worked better with our industry, which is avocado. For example, we can see a threat that is competition that we really can't prevent or anything. We only have to cope with it. So, but we also have great opportunities, such as Mexico's greater year of avocado, some foreign relationships that includes the new trade agreement with the United States and Canada.
Well, one of the most important part of this project, we help and talk with an entrepreneur called Luis. He needs to know the requirements of the industry, and he needs to know the specificities of the trees and the lands. Luis, he wants to create an avocado business, and we we help us with our information and the knowledge about the avocados. He wants to create a business in Switzerland, Colima, and he really don't know the most important parts of this business. So we talked with him. We asked some things, and he asked us. So we in this part of the project, we bring here the most important information to create this part of business.
As a conclusion, well, this project helped us to get experience with foreign partners, like the guys from Buffalo. We used to have meetings by video calls once per week, and well, that helped us to improve our language skills. Like like Mexico is a Hispanic country, so we don't usually speak English that much in a whole day. So that helped us a lot to have a more extended vocabulary of business, to like also know more about the states, because in those video calls, like we share ideas of the culture of each country, like the festivities, the food, the activities that they do, and we start to know more each other. This project also helped us to know how to make a SWOT analysis. The SWOT analysis is made by strengths, weakness, opportunities, and threats to start a new business. And actually helped us to do a deductive questioning, as my partner Alfredo said. Like we made questions to Luis, the young entrepreneur, and well, this helped us to know what do we have to ask, like know like proper questions to make for them, and also teamwork. The teamwork here was really important. Like each of our members, each of the team, had like a specific job to do in this project, and that's it.